guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, it's just going to be a quick video. In the last video we made, this car doing the quarter-mile runs, looking at the HP Tuner scan logs, I noticed that the incoming air temperature was quite a bit higher than the actual temperature outside. So in this video I'm going to try sealing up the air box a little more. I thought I had it sealed up pretty good, but apparently there must be some hot air from under the hoods making its way into the engine, because according to the data logs, at different times the temperature was quite high. I found, like on the logs, it showed the temperature being quite a bit warmer than the outside temperature, especially at the beginning of the run, and then by the time you get to the end of the run, it kind of comes down pretty good. It never comes close to the outside temperature, which is, you never really get, whatever the temperature is outside, it's usually a little bit warmer coming in, but this here was quite a bit higher. So I'm going to try sealing up the air box to see if I can keep the temperatures lower. Now, mind you, it's not going to help performance a whole lot, but every little bit counts. And what I'm going to do, it'll work on a lot of different cars that have cold air intakes. Now, when you got the closed box cold air intakes, then you shouldn't really have a problem. And like on these cars, a lot of them use the lid, whereas mine uses an open tight box. So anyway, I put some foam sealer around the outside of it. I had some on there, but apparently it must not have been sealing quite good enough. So I added some more, and what I'm gonna put a light inside the air box and then put a camera around the outside when the hood is closed to see if there's any light coming out. And anyway, if you guys haven't watched the last video we did with the quarter-mile runs, I think we did a pretty good job on the video, so you should go check that out. And if you're watching this video or some of our other videos, we would really appreciate it if you subscribe. I know I've gone on about subscribers before, but it really does help the channel. Comments, hitting the thumbs up button, all that stuff really helps. But anyway, guys, I'm rambled on long enough. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, guys, so here's what I've done. I already had some of this foam, I don't know, I think it's called foam sealer, but it could be called something else. I already had this around the entire air box, but it must not be sealing quite good enough, so I put on, you should be able to see, I put on a second layer, and I glued it down here so it would stay there, and I just put it all the way around. So what I'm going to do now is I got a light. I'm just going to turn that light on, and I'm going to close the hood, and I'm going to put the camera, I'm going to try the camera back in here, maybe around the sides, to see if there's any light peeking through. So anyway, we'll get on with that. Okay, the camera shut off on me for some reason, but anyway, I got one of my cheaper cameras. I've got it recording right now, so I'm gonna just place it up in here. Hopefully it'll show me if there's any light. If there's any light peeking around the top here. So I'm gonna close the hood. So we'll just let it sit there for a few seconds. Now, when I pop the hood, you'll definitely see light on that camera, or you should. Okay. Now, where else? I'm not sure where else I can put this without it getting jammed. Sit there. I'm going to try setting it there. Hopefully it won't break the camera. just let that capture that. I'll pop the hood again. Okay, this camera survived. So, I don't know if I can set the camera there or not. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to put the light there. And it's not in a good position, but if there's any light peeking out, it should shine off the white, so you should be able to see it. So we'll close the hood. Okay, so I'm going to try putting the camera down in here and put the light over here. I think that'll clear. And the hood closed, so it must have cleared. Okay. I'll shove the camera over in here this time. And we'll put the light down in here, I think. And we'll try it. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. I'll go check the video. Anyway, guys, it's just a short video, but probably not too many Camaros running this type of airbox anyway. But you see a lot of different late model cars have like an open airbox with the seal around the top. Well, a lot of times they still don't seal real good. This might be a way to cure that problem. It doesn't affect performance a huge amount, but I know on this car, it was running about 1.5 degrees. The timing was between 1 and 1.5 degrees less than what I'm calling for on my tune, which a lot of the logs that I've logged with the car, it usually runs the timing that I call for. So anyway, guys, I know it ain't much of a video, but could help someone. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.